So we're going at a Home Depot to kids workshop. So every first Saturday of the month they're having a workshop at Home Depot for kids. Uh-oh, where's your Crocs?
Wow.
It's so late, I don't think we're gonna make it. We're not gonna make it. So you see what you did to me? I had to heartbreak. We have the Insurance Progressive, the snapshot. If you are heartbreaking, it's beeping and it increases your discount. So we're screwed now. Huh. Oh, and remember we have to pick up something from Zara.
You really?
Yeah, for the... Here we go. They said 25.
Pero para eso.
Do you want to hammer that with Daddy?
Harder.
You have to take it to go. Oh, that's a bummer.
Okay, next time.
Next, what do you say?
Truffle?
Look!
This is for you. Happy birthday.
Thank you. Look. So this is the set. Oh, look at this mask.
Or first one. How you did her hair?
This is the Daddy's hairstyle. I did it.